So in this, let's call it a department, Alex, this is where they'll demonstrate the cutting tools that you manufacture.
Yeah, that's correct. As you can see, some of the products we have here in front of us, including the high feed milling systems, tangential.
It really goes against people that think that you are just about grooving, doesn't it? Because you can see the quality of product that you've got here, but not only the quality, obviously the quantity of tooling that you actually do now. Let's pick up on some of these. For example, let's talk about some of your high feed milling options now.
Yeah, as you can see, we've got a variety of ranges here of high feed milling. Now, these tools really are based at fast metal removal rates when you've got a lot of material to remove quickly, and that's why it's called high feed.
And that's a big market, isn't it? I mean, it must open up a lot more opportunities for Horn.
Yeah, certainly. As we all know, time is money in the machining world, so the quicker we can remove excess material, the better.
Let's talk about some of your solid carbide as well, like some of these are here, because again, this is pretty new, and people might not know that you actually manufacture these products.
No, as I say, predominantly Horn are grooving specialists, but the product range is increasing year on year, and the solid carbide is an example of that. We now have a full range of solid carbide cutters targeted at many different materials, and as I said, the range just keeps increasing every year.
With there being a lot of options on like solid carbides like this, what does set you apart here at Horn? You know, you're jumping into a pretty crowded and market here, aren't you? What will make these tools better than some of the competition?
I think one thing that Horn's got is marketplace experience, and we know about carbide. Right from powder to finished product. We can apply the knowledge from some of our bread and butter tooling to newer ventures.
Let's pick up on maybe some of these cutters as well, because this is, again, we're now entering into different markets, different applications.
Yeah, the cutters you're mentioning are actually tangential milling cutters, the 409 and 406 systems. They come in a wide variety of shoulder milling, face milling, and headshot cutters. Again, they're targeted at material removal, and the inserts actually have a number of precision ground cutting edges, up to 6 edges, I believe, in some cases.
It's quite interesting as well to see the amount of people here. I mean, look at this gives engineers confidence to be able to come here and test out your products on their applications, because that's what you can do here in Germany.
No, you're completely correct. I mean, it's a big occasion. It commemorates 50 years of Horn production in Germany, and it really is great to see the sort of turnout that we're having this week. It really is incredible to see customers and colleagues alike really exploring the facilities and just seeing what we can do.
And with these machines, they are great machines. They're powerful machines. They're fast machines. So it will push your tool into the limit, which is what you need, don't you?
Exactly. That's you've hit the nail on the head. That is the benefit of the tech centre. We're using state-of-the-art machinery to deploy new tooling, and we can really push it to the limits and find out what the benchmark is before releasing tools into the marketplace.